Hi guys, my name is Lena and today I'm going to show you how to include color in your spring makeup routine. It's super easy and not that scary, so let's go ahead and I'll show you my steps. Because I have dry skin, I really want to use the In Moisturizer to start the face. This provides 72 hours of hydration and keeps my makeup on and looking glowy and beautiful all day. Now I'm wearing the Rose Gold Baggage Claim eye masks while I'm going to do my eyeshadow because you want to make sure you're staying moisturizing while you're multitasking. First color I'm going to take is Eden from Wanderess Fling, and we're going to apply this into the crease, blending it out to just add a little bit of shadow and depth to our eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Orchid and apply that all over the lid. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take Cedar on a small blending brush and apply that on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the brand new Mile High Club Mascara. I cannot wait to see how my lashes look right after using this. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Nude Illusion foundation in order to fix up my complexion and make sure it's a little bit more even. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Nude Illusion double-sided brush to go ahead and blend out the foundation. This side is really good for buffing and like pressing it into the skin so you get more coverage, while the other side is actually really great for smaller, hard to reach areas and under the eyes. So I like to use this as kind of my last step. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Duelist Concealer and I'm going to take the illuminating side and apply that underneath my eyes in order to just brighten up the face a little bit. A great tip if you want your concealer to be even more full coverage is to let it sit and kind of marinate for a little bit. So while you're sitting here, just let it dry, not completely, but it makes it a little bit more tough to blend, which makes it more full coverage. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Mile High Mascara to finish up the mascara on the lower lashes. Now I'm going to go in with On The Glow Bronzer in Malibu to go ahead and sculpt and define the face and add a little bit more color. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the On The Glow Blush and just apply a tad onto the apples of my cheeks just to add even more color to my face. Now I'm going to use the Lip Setter in Bahama Breeze to just add a little color to my lips. I wanted to show you guys a fresh take on a colorful look for spring because I know everyone's so intimidated with color, but I promise it's not scary and it can look really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more of my face, you can go ahead and follow me at IamJustAlina on Instagram. You can shop all these multitaskers at wanderbeauty.com.